Felt good today. Just see how it goes. Play day to day, and talk to the doctors again tomorrow. But I feel confident.
All right, baseball. We've been reporting on this deal for days on end because we have. But it's official now. Roy Halladay is finally a Philly. That's a 3-year, $60 million contract extension agreement in 2013. So Halladay is in for the Phillies, and that means that Cliff Lee is out, heading to the Seattle Mariners in a deal that included the Mariners, the Phils, the Blue Jays, the A's, 9 players, and cash. That's all. In Anaheim, Hideki Matsui got his. He officially became an Angel after signing a 1-year deal with an estimated